Haha. Right?
Yeah.
You're gonna feel so much better. Hi, it's Dr. Barco. We're gonna cut some really long toenails that can bother patients a lot. If your toenails are really long and you're having a problem with them, give us a call so we can help you get them trimmed.
Oh, that was good.
Thanks.
Wow.
Haha. Right?
Yeah.
You're gonna feel so much better.
I'll bet.
And then we'll smooth them out, make them look as good as we can, and thin them down.
Well, my sister told me that she thought that's why I was walking funny.
It's possible.
Oh, really?
Oh, absolutely. And you might not be able to tell because you do have numbness.
Yeah.
But a lot of patients, have you ever seen an animal with really long toenails walk?
No.
It can happen to humans too, because when they get so long, they like hit the shoe weird.
Oh, okay.
And so a lot of patients have a hard time with them causing pain when they're walking.
No kidding.
But you might not feel it the same since you have numbness.
Yeah. Yeah, there's no pain there at all. I'm so glad you're doing this.
I am so glad as well. This is gonna get you feeling real good,
I'll
walking
bet.
normal. You're gonna lose like 5 pounds.
I don't doubt that.
And I think it's like the little toenails don't hurt people as much as like people think this is gonna hurt.
Yeah.
But actually it feels way better doing it and getting it over with.
Oh, really?
Oh yeah,
Can you take that off the top of that nail?
absolutely.
Can you really?
Yep.
Wow.
And we'll smooth it down as thin as we can get it.
Okay. They were really long, huh?
Oh yeah. And like a couple of them had a little blood underneath them too, which happens.
Well, my sister told me she thought my feet were infected for some reason or another.
Huh.
Do you think so? That
Well, that's why I asked you if you had itching. I see a little athlete's foot in your skin.
Right.
So I can write you a prescription to get rid of that too.
Oh, I think that's what my sister wondered.
Okay. So she's right. Is she medical?
She's a nurse and my brother-in-law's a doctor.
Oh,
He
really?
delivers babies.
He does?
Yeah.
That's a full-time job for sure. Do they work here in Lexington?
Yeah, my brother-in-law's over at Baptist.
Oh, okay. What's his name?
John Barton.
Oh. I work in the surgery center, so I don't get to see the OBs.
Oh, really?
Not a lot, but, well, that's awesome. So you have good family that can
Oh, yeah.
give you a piece of their mind when they're like, hey, you need to fix this.
Well, my sister told me that when she was alive, that she had to bring my mother and get her nails taken care of.
Oh, yeah, we
I-
do this all the
I
time.
didn't know that.
Yeah. This one's pretty thick, too.
Yeah. I will be 5 pounds lighter.
Wish I could do that. Losing 5 pounds sounds like a great idea.
Oh, really? Wow.
Yeah,
You're really taking a bunch off there, aren't you?
I am.
Well, that's good.
Yeah, because for insurance reasons, you can only come every like 9 to 12 weeks.
Do what now?
For insurance to pay for it,
Yeah.
you can only come every so often. Like you can't come every month, you know?
Oh, really?
Yeah, every 9 to 12 weeks.
Oh,
So
okay.
we try to take enough off that it keeps you comfortable the whole time.
Right. So in 9 to 12 weeks, I'll probably have to have this done again, right?
Correct.
Huh.
And some patients go a little longer,
I
you
didn't
know.
that. I really didn't.
Yeah. It depends on how quick your toenails grow.
They're really thick, aren't they?
Mm-hmm.
Why is that?
There's fungus in the nails,
Oh, okay.
and the fungus makes them grow thick.
Oh, I see. Okay. And you're gonna give me something for them?
Well, I'm going to give you something for, oh, I got a little blood there. I'm going to give you something for your skin, but absolutely, you can treat toenails too.
Okay.
When the toenails are this affected, it does take a little bit more energy out of you,
Oh, really?
you know, to treat them because you have to do something to them every day.
Okay.
And when the fungus is in the nails like this,
Yeah.
it often causes the skin underneath it to get irritated.
No kidding.
Mm-hmm. So like on your second toe, you have a little blood coming from under the nail.
Yeah, I see.
And we'll put a little medicine on that for you today. But so it is a good idea to get them routinely trimmed because then you won't get that blood like that.
All right. Well, all my nails are thick, aren't they?
Oh yeah. Now this one's probably one of the thinner ones, but it's still, compared to a regular toenail,
Yeah.
it's very thick.
Oh, okay. Why do you think that is?
Because of the fungus.
Oh, the fungus?
Yeah.
Huh.
Absolutely. We see it every day, all day long.
No kidding.
No kidding. Thanks for watching my video. This is how we help patients every day. If you liked this video, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel and ring the bell.